Stop selling houses and start selling lifestyles. Euro Let's transform how you describe a neighborhood and watch those offers roll in. First, ditch the dry facts and embrace storytelling. Euro Instead of saying there are parks, describe kids laughing as they chase pigeons by the pond on a sunny afternoon. Paint a picture. Next, become a local expert. Euro Know the best cafes, the hidden gem boutiques, the farmers market schedule, and the school district rankings like the back of your hand. Highlight community vibes. Euro Is it family-friendly with block parties, or a haven for young professionals with trendy rooftop bars? Show, don't just tell. Mention lifestyle perks. Euro Is it walkable with easy access to public transport, or bike-friendly with scenic paths? Sell the convenience. Lastly, showcase its character. Euro Are there charming Victorian homes or modern minimalist condos? Highlight the unique architecture that makes the area special. Practice making this the heart of your sales pitch. Euro It's not just about the house, it includes the lifestyle you're helping the buyer gain. By selling your audience the lifestyle, the homes will sell themselves.